Alright, so we were doing really good, and then all of a sudden, like, this crazy cloud came over us, and it just started pouring.
Let's talk about love. I'm feeling alright. Let's talk about love.
This may be the craziest thing that we've ever done, or the awesomest thing that we've ever done. There is a 90% chance of rain today, and guess where we're going? Can you turn around?
Oh, right here.
No!
Hey, hola, amiguitos. Soy yo, Mickey Mouse.
Disneyland. The guys totally bailed last minute. They were like, that does not sound fun. So me and Emily, since she doesn't get to be here.
Let's talk about more details.
Okay, let me hear it.
Let's talk about that. It's gonna be 50 degrees out, freezing cold, rain, lines at Disneyland with children.
So the ladies decided we're gonna go brave it, and Natalia's gonna come with us. So it's gonna be 3 moms, 1, 2, 3, 4 children. Rainy Disneyland day.
Mickey Mouse.
And we have ponchos, so it's gonna be pretty hilarious. I'm gonna take you guys with us. Let us know in the comments if we're crazy or if we're just awesome. I don't know if we should go to Disneyland in this.
No, we have ponchos.
Are you sure? I don't know. That's pretty intense.
We're gonna go on Goofy Sky School first.
I told you we were all gonna brave it, and we bought these. No, it is.
Are you sure?
Yeah, I looked it up. Goofy Sky School is open.
Right now because it's coming down so hard.
Oh my gosh! Okay. Ponchos, pass them out.
Pass it down.
Ponchos for you. Poncho, here. Want to pass them out? Oh my god! Put it on. Okay, put it on. It goes over your head. I mean, we're not talking just a little rain.
M-I-C-K-E-Y-M-O-U-S-E. We're wearing bags.
Is this how we do Disney now?
And this is safe.
Oh, Sage is not happy about the bag.
I wouldn't be there.
Oh, we all look like something out of a movie. When it's pouring like this is how you have to do Disney. Alright, we made it in. Some of us are raincoated, some of us are not. We're really hoping the weather holds up. It's gonna be crazy if it starts pouring, but look it, we're gonna be covered.
We're perfect.
Where's yours?
Right there. Where's yours?
Okay, right here. This is where ours are. You ready? Hey, you look like Nomeo.
Romeo and Juliet.
Alright, so we were doing really good, and then all of a sudden, like, this crazy cloud came over us, and it just started pouring. Look at this. We're still braving it, though. Are you ready?
It's like gray skies.
I gotta catch up to Tal and the kid. She's up there, and we literally all have these ponchos on like this. But, what do you think of Disney in the rain?
The happiest place.
Is it the happiest place? We've been on how many rides? How many rides?
I can't use the map.
Okay, how many rides have we been on?
I think, I don't know, 5?
5? Like 5 rides. It's literally gorgeous out here right now. The lighting is incredible. I don't know if you guys can see. But are you guys dancing? Are you dancing?
Yeah.
Wow. Toy Story. Wait, don't run into anybody. Careful. Whoa, careful. Careful. My hand is shaking. You are so... Oh, and she's got this like victory thing. I can't. I was ahead the whole time.
That was so close. You
Oh, I'm so sorry. I just threw that in there. Sorry. I was super distracted because I lost and I accidentally threw the bag. You guys gotta give this back. Yeah, go put it back. Go put it back. Go put it back. So we're back. I had accidentally thrown the glasses into the trash can while the lady was working on it.
You did such a good job. We were like so close to each other.
Besides the fact that she's totally being condescending right now, yes. Oh, she's... We are a mess right now. Caution. I had her the whole time. She literally was like, I have 90, what was it? 80? 74. And I at that point had 100. I had 100. And she beat me.
Out the win right at the end.
I'm so frustrated right now. I don't even... She killed me? It was 3. That's literally 1 plate. That's all. Just 1 plate. And I don't know how she managed. That was 1 plate. I would have needed 1 more extra plate in here. I had 165. Yeah. Wow, my friend. Anyways, I almost won. It's such a bummer because now I'm going to have a really bad rest of the day. Congratulations, I guess.
Good game.
Okay, so I convinced this cute boy right here to go on the Incredicoast with me. You're gonna be so good. Everybody leave love in comments room right now because he's feeling a little bit nervous. Emily and
I'm
Liz,
terrified.
are you?
She's gonna keep me safe.
You're gonna hold her really tight, right? And you're gonna hold me really tight, right?
I have a poncho.
Perfect. Perfect. Now staying back with Sage and Kay. So nice of her. Found it. We got this.
Oh, what's up, dude? How you doing? Good. How'd you like the Super Bowl today?
Didn't really watch it.
This is Colby's first time, I think, ever in 45 years.
No.
He's not 45, I'm just kidding. But this is the first time I think ever that he has not like done a big. Is it big or just that the fact that you didn't really watch it? Because you watch it on your phone.
We usually have Super Bowl parties.
Yeah.
Yeah. First time
we were gonna try to do a little bit of a Super Bowl party with the dudes today, but we ended up playing Fortnite for a long time. And we got really far every single time. But anyway, it's now 10:30 at night and the girls are just now leaving Disneyland. They've been there all day with Caspian and Emily and Sage and Tal and Liv and Pay. Well, Colby, myself, and jeffersonmusic.com/booking have all been playing Fortnite all day. We had lunch at some sushi spot and all that, so it's pretty good. Colby and I are really hungry. 10 o'clock at night. Gonna go get some food. I'm gonna try to find something low carb. I did want to update you guys though because actually I don't know if the audio works, so I'm not gonna tell you about it. I'll tell you about it later. But that little guy right there is a little hint about a story I need to tell you guys very soon.